Hello students, today we continue our list function part 2. So our next function in list function is pop. This method remove last element of the list. So whatever the list is given, it will remove last element, always last element. So like we have a list A equal to Ram, Sham, Ajay and Vijay. Now we are using A dot pop. So print A. So whenever we print A, then A equal to Ram, Sham and Ajay. Last element Vijay will be removed. So this we can try in our Python. So A equal to, I create a list Ram, Sham, Ajay and Vijay and Vijay. So we have following element. Now I use A dot pop. Now I print again list. So A is my list. So I save the program and run the program. So now you can see that our last element Vijay is removed from the list. So pop is always used to remove last element of the list. Our next element is remove. Next function is remove. This function is used to remove from list of first occurrence. Like if I write A equal to Ram, Sham, Ajay and Vijay, and now I am using A dot remove Sham. So where the Sham is coming in the list, it will delete the Sham element and print A, then my output will be Ram, Ajay and Vijay. So Sham will be removed. So we will use in Python. So I write here A dot remove and I want to remove Sham. So Sham is removed. So my list is Ram, Ajay and Vijay. Our next function is reverse. This method is used to reverse the list. So whatever the list is given, list will be printed in reverse order. Like we have list A equal to Ram, Sham, Ajay and Vijay. Now I use A dot reverse. So print A. So my list would be Vijay, Ajay, Sham and Ram. So I will try in Python. Here I write reverse. Then I go to print list our A. I save the program. Now run. So you can see our list in reverse order. Our next function is sort. So this method is used to sort the list element. So whatever the element is given, it will print in ascending order. So A equal to Ram, Sham, Ajay and Vijay. Then I use A dot sort. Then I use print A. Then Ajay, Ram, Sham and Vijay in ascending order. So we can do this. A dot sort. So I print A. So you can see this all element coming in ascending order. So if you want to do in reverse order, then we have to write here reverse equal to true. So I save the, then my list will be printed in descending order. You can see here all elements coming in descending order. So for reverse, for descending order, I write here A dot sort reverse equal to true. So then after this, if I print my list, all element will come in print in descending order. Our next function is extend. So this function is used append the content of the sequence of the list. If I use a list A and second list is range 0 to 5, 0 to 4, then I write A dot extend B. Then if I print A, then list will be extend like this. So we will use this. So my first list is this A, then I am have B equal to range 5, list range 5. Then I write A dot extend B. So I save this. So you can see this, my list is extended with the range 0 to 4. Now last function is list. So this method takes sequence types and converts them into a list. This is used to convert a given tuple into list. Like if you have any string like str hello world and now a equal to list str. So whatever the element in string, this will convert in the list. So whenever you print a, then you can see your output, all element come in the list format. So like I have a string hello world, then I write a equal to list str, then if I print a, so str will convert it in the form of list. So whenever I run the program, my string will convert into the list. So here all the element come in list format. So today in this class we learn about list function, pop, remove, reverse, sort, extend and list. So we will complete this our all list functions.